We are joined by the legendary astrophysicist and best-selling author, Mario Livio. I would like to ask a few questions. The first one is, what do you think about the connection of art and science? Why is it important, and how does it impact one another?
So I think that there is a difference between art and science. Science attempts to explain the universe and phenomena within the universe and make predictions about phenomena in the universe. The artists give their emotional response to the universe. So they don't try to explain the universe. They tell us how they feel, be it by painting, by literature, by whatever. It's how they feel about the universe. So in some sense, these two things complement each other. They are, together they give us a nicer picture of the universe. And what was the second part of your question? Oh yes, yeah. I know. And the connections. The thing is, there was this author, C.P. Snow, who once talked about the fact that there is a schism between the humanities and the sciences, that they don't talk to each other. But I think that both are really part of one human culture. And therefore everybody should, in the same way that I think that every kid should, for example, I don't know, see at least one Shakespeare play. I think they should appreciate the fact that science is actually, with a few laws, explains almost everything we see. Even if they don't become scientists themselves, but to appreciate the power of science and the creativity and imagination of science.
Yeah, and that's why science communication is super important and plays a huge role.
True.
Yes, and following up with that question, I would like to ask, what can we do, adults, to inspire children, students, to actually at least get interested in science?
Yeah, so we must make them curious, but simply curious. And we should never try to make them curious about, we will not start at least by trying to make them curious about what we think they should be curious about. We should start by what they are really curious about. I'll give you an example. For example, suppose you take a 6-year-old girl and you want to make her interested in free fall acceleration, bodies falling to the earth, and so on. If you start with that, she may find that boring. But this 6-year-old young girl may be interested in dinosaurs, for example. Many kids are interested in dinosaurs. So start by talking about dinosaurs. Talk about dinosaurs, explain about dinosaurs, describe dinosaurs, and then say, 66 million years ago, all the dinosaurs were killed. You know by what? By an asteroid that hit Earth. And you know why that asteroid hit Earth? Because there is the gravitational force which attracted this asteroid, and it fell through the atmosphere and killed the thing. So you start with a thing that they are curious about and lead them to other things you think they should be curious about.
If everybody could do it this way, the way you did it just right now, we would be saved on this planet. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
My pleasure.